In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up audio in OBS Studio. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just getting started, understanding how to manage your audio settings is crucial for creating high-quality content. So let's dive into the process together, breaking it down step by step to ensure clarity and ease of execution. The first thing you need to do is head over to OBS Studio. This powerful software is widely used for streaming and recording purposes due to its flexibility and open source nature. If you haven't already installed OBS Studio, make sure you download it from the official website and get it set up on your computer. Now that you've opened OBS Studio, your next step is to navigate to the Settings menu. You can find this in the bottom right corner of your screen. The Settings menu is your gateway to a variety of configurations that help you personalize and perfect your streaming environment. Don't worry if it seems overwhelming at first. We're here to make things simple. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to direct your attention to the Audio tab. Click on it to access a range of audio settings that OBS offers. This tab is where you'll find all you need to craft perfect sound for your streams or recordings. In the audio settings, look for the section labeled Global Audio Devices. This is quite important for managing your audio inputs. Here, you have the option to add a microphone. Connecting a microphone is essential if you're planning to incorporate voice commentary or any live audio input into your content. Click on the drop-down menu next to Mic/Auxiliary Audio to select the microphone you wish to use. If you see multiple microphones listed, make sure to choose the one that you want as your main audio source. If you're using a USB microphone or a built-in device, ensure it's selected and correctly configured. Once you've done that, you've successfully added your microphone input to OBS Studio. This setting will ensure that your voice is captured clearly during streams or recordings, allowing your audience to hear you without any audio hiccups. And there you have it, the magic happens, and you're all set. This process might appear simple at first glance, but it's a fundamental aspect of creating an efficient and professional streaming setup. Proper audio configuration can make or break the quality of your streams, so take a moment to test and adjust levels to your preference. That's it, folks. With your audio set up in OBS Studio, you're now ready to dive into your next streaming session with confidence. Remember that practice and tweaking bring about the finest results. Thank you for following along and happy streaming.